nova.
Atenção, torre de comando 9 FM. Aeronave Black in Love pedindo permissão para decolagem. Câmbio.
Ok, permissão concedida. Pista 897 livre para decolagem. Câmbio.
Atenção, senhores passageiros. Apertem cintos. A aeronave Black in Love decolando para uma viagem com o melhor da Black Music, em conexão com as principais rádios do mundo.
82 at National, 83 in Carver Terrace, and on your radio, it's Digital 100.3.
There's always something more to listen for on Atlanta's new Kiss 104. Chic Show, radio music. Em 92, Chic Show é 10 mais 10. Number 1. 20 anos. Number 1. A número 1 do Brasil. Chic Show.
Nas asas da Chic Show, a número 1 do Brasil, com o musical dos DJs da nova geração Chic Show. New Black in Love. Boa viagem.
E aí, galera de São Paulo, tudo certo? Estamos chegando por aqui, agora exatamente 12:07, para começar aí o Black in Love desse grande 25 de janeiro de 1992, São Paulo completando 438 anos. Você que está nas praias de São Paulo, que gostoso, hein? Que gostoso, que coisa linda. Você viu que dia, Mayra? Que dia! Você viu que dia, Luciano? Nossa senhora, que inveja você que está na beirada da praia, que está em uma grande piscina, num grande clube em São Paulo. Aqui também é gostoso, tem um ar-condicionado de excelente qualidade e a gente vai levar para vocês aqui até às 3 da tarde o programa campeão de audiência do seu FM Dial em São Paulo. O Black in Love está começando, produzido pela equipe número 1 do Brasil, a Chic Show, e os DJs da nova geração, dessa grande família Chic Show. A galera comigo aqui hoje, o Easy Nylon, tudo certo? Tudo lindo. Tudo bem. Temos também de quebra aqui um macarrão. Temos do 241706, a Mayra atendendo o seu pedido e o seu recado no toque direto que vai começar daqui a pouquinho. Lá do outro lado nós já temos aqui o mala do Luciano, que já está raspando tudo por lá. O filho da dona Edna. Alô, dona Edna, tudo certo? Começando o nosso programinha por aqui, vai até às 3. Vai trazer grandes músicas e você pode ligar pra cá, 241-0706. A primeira já tá pintando por aqui, Terry Steele.
Complete, but she still plays hard to get. It's the very first time for Susie, and he promised her he'd stay. So she laid down next to him and gave all her love away. Babies are having babies. Yes, they are. We must be crazy to let our babies have babies.
Tom, you got a minute? I've got to talk to you.
Baby, can't this wait? Because I'm really running late right now.
Tom?
What's the matter, baby?
Tom, I'm pregnant.
What? Tom was young and very dumb when he swore his love was true. He thought he'd have a ball, have his cake and eat it too. But the news kinda hit him hard. In fact, it blew his mind. Now he's trying to find another job, standing on the employment line. Baby are having babies, yes they are. We must be crazy to let our babies have babies. If you love me, you would never hesitate.
Oh, if you love me, boy, I know that you would wait.
Oh, girl, if you love me, you never do me like this.
Oh, if you love me, you'd be happy with a kiss.
Baby are having babies, yes they are. We must be crazy to let our babies have babies. Tom and Susie tied the knot, both swore to share their lives. But when they seen what they hadn't got, that's the time they compromise. It's a trying time for Susie. Some say she's lost her smile, because in 5 months, baby, she's gonna have a second child. Baby are having babies, yes they are. We must be crazy to let our babies have babies.
Tom, I want to keep my baby.
Girl. Baby, I said I'd be there for you.
How will we manage with no money?
Your folks and my folks, I guess I'll get a job. But baby, I love you.
Tom, I love you too.
Mr. Anderson, on your job application here, your skills and education is very limited.
I know, sir, but all I need is a chance to prove what I can do. I have a wife and baby at home. I got to work.
I'm sorry, Mr. Anderson. If you lack the educational requirements for this job, I think you should go back to a regular school or a trade school.
How can I when I have a family to support? Please, sir, give me a chance.
I'm sorry. You should have thought about that before you decided to help me out.
No possession. You become my one obsession. Calling you a moment's rendezvous. You've captured my devotion. I'm filled with such emotion. I don't wanna fake it, but I just don't wanna wake up. Dream love. Though you satisfy me, oh I need you here beside me. Dream love. I'd come right to you if I found you. My fantasy come true. I'd be building a world around you. Where are you, love? I'm yearning for your touch. I'm ready and I'm waiting for the love we'd be creating. Your love is true, faithful through and through. You never ever hurt me. I don't ever have to worry. I don't wanna fake it, but I just don't wanna wake up. Dream love. Although you satisfy me, oh I need you here beside me. Dream love. Dream love.
Wait a minute, what are you talking about you leaving? You can't leave, you need me. Well, come here, where you going? Uh-oh, it's like that, huh? All right.
time I get to Phoenix, she'll be rising. She'll read the note I left hanging on her door. I wanna tell you, she'll laugh when she reads the part that says I can't stay no longer, 'cause I left that girl so many times before. By the time I get to Albuquerque, she'll be working. She'll probably stop at lunch, y'all. And give the old boy a call. And she'll hear that telephone keep on ringing, right off the wall. That will be all. Oh, by the time I get to Oklahoma, she will be sleeping. Turn softly and call my name, I know. And she'll cry when she realizes I really left her. Oh, time after time after time after time after time. No, time after time. Tried my best to tell her so. The girl, she just didn't know. Really go. She knows. Let's be gone. She never thought I'd leave her. Never thought I'd go. Oh, I just can't take no more. I've got to go. Deep in my heart, I still love her so. But I've got to go. I'm gone. This is goodbye, babe. And I think you know why. I'm gone, babe. But I still love you so. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. I hate to go. Oh,
last few months, things have changed. I better let Ace and you sing it to you because I don't know what I might say. One day, child, I won't have to listen to your lies. On that day, I'll be able to make up my own mind. You know, I think I done finally realized. Yes, I have. And now I'm think I can push you out of my life. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Yeah. I wanna be free. Yes, I do. I wanna be. I'm gonna be. I wanna be. You see, my life is changing over, girl. And I'm on my way up. You know, I told you one morning, girl. One morning, girl. I won't be afraid to leave you out. No, I won't. And all those things that you told me, girl. You know, I never could conceive. I wanna be free, yes I do. I'm gonna be free. I'm gonna be free. I'm gonna be free. I wanna be free. Yes, see, this is Ace Juice, and I want you to set my heart free. One day I'm gonna be free, honey. And nothing can make me stay, not even your money. And I know you're gonna think I'm acting funny. Oh, girl. Oh, but I'm getting away from you, honey. Oh, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Oh, I wanna be free. Yes, I do. Oh, one time I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Oh, free. I wanna be. I'm gonna be. I wanna be. I wanna be free. Show back, go back. I wanna be free. I want to be free. You see, girl, it's 1989. I've changed, things have changed. I've gone past gold. I've collected $200. I've got my get out of jail free card, baby.